So let's see today's delicious homemade granola bars, which is so healthy and a great snack. So here I've taken a pan, put on the heat on medium. Now I'm going to roast 1 cup of oats just for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low to medium flame. So roast them nicely till they become a little light golden brown in color. And now I've got this large bowl to which I'm going to add all the ingredients for the bars. So I'm going to transfer the oats. Now do wipe your pan clean because the oats does leave a little bit of a kind of a floury texture on the pan, so wipe your pan. And now to the same pan we're going to add 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. Now you can add whatever seeds you have at hand, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, whatever seeds you have, you can add that and just roast them lightly on the pan for again another 2 to 3 minutes. And once that is done, you're going to add that again to the roasted oats. Mix that in well. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of chopped up almonds. So again, in this case, you can add whatever nuts you have at home. You can add walnuts, cashew nuts, hazelnuts. It's better that you chop them up a bit so that it gets evenly distributed. And you're able to bite into the nuts. So then if they're bigger size nuts, you can cut them up into smaller pieces. And we're going to roast this as well. So once that is done, I'm going to add that. And again, I'm going to mix all of this really nicely together. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cranberries, 1/3 cup of black raisins. So again, in this case, you can add whatever, dry fruits you have at home. You can add raisins, you can add whatever kind of berries you have at home. Even some fresh berries will do. So now mix all of this. So this is our base. Now we want to create a kind of a binding syrup to hold all of this together. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of butter. Now you can also go for a healthy option as coconut butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Just mix the brown sugar well into the butter. Besides adding a lovely color, the brown sugar also adds a lovely texture and a flavor to this granola bar. And now we're going to add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You can also add honey. You can also add pancake syrup. And now we're going to stir this mixture really well till it all thickens up. So this is going to hold the mixture together. So once we put it into the oven and we bake it up, it's going to hold everything really well together so we can cut them up into bars. So now I'm just going to pour this mixture or this syrup, thickened syrup, into the rest of the ingredients. And we're going to mix all of this really well together because we want all of the ingredients to get really nicely coated with this syrup. So that's really important. So give it a very good mix. You can also use your hands, but ensure that there are no dry parts of the mixture. This is such a healthy option, a lovely healthy snack to give your kids, your family members, yourself. And it's homemade, so there's no preservatives. And now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now here I've aligned my baking dish with some parchment paper. I'm just going to put all of the ingredients in well. Now if you find that any of the ingredient is not coated well with the syrup, this would be a good time to coat it with it. And now the most important step is to just even everything out and press it down tightly using your spatula. because then this way when you press it down, when it gets baked, it will all come together really well, and then you'll be able to cut it up into bars very easily. So just even it out with anything that's flat like this, or even any large cup. You can use the base of a large heavy cup. And once it's all pressed down like this, it should look like this, where you have all of the ingredients. You can see all of the ingredients, so put a generous amount. And then we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes in a preheated oven. And after 20 minutes, you'll see this lovely dark golden color. And now we're going to let this cool completely before we cut it up. Don't be in a hurry to cut it up. Let it cool down completely. And then you can cut it up into bars and enjoy your granola bars. So I hope you try out this recipe. Do leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any other recipe for granola bars, you can share the recipe in the comment section below. I'll catch you soon in my next video. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.